Did you know that clove water has anti-cancer properties? Scientific studies show that cloves can help fight cancer cells, suppress microbial growth, improve diabetes symptoms, and even support neurological health. There's also promising evidence that clove water can fight oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and combat cardiovascular disease. Intrigued? A 2011 study by Parl Milind and Kanadeepa confirms that cloves are truly the champions of all antioxidants out there. According to the Oxygen Radical Absorbance Capacity Scale, developed by the U.S. Department of Agriculture, the ORAC score of cloves is over 10 million. That's mind-blowing. Just a drop of clove oil is 400 times more powerful as an antioxidant than wolfberries or blueberries. Be sure to stick around until the end for the best recipe to get the most out of clove water. Let's jump in. Starting off with number 1. Cloves contain anti-cancer properties. Many herbs and spices are packed with antioxidants, which help reduce cellular damage that can lead to cancer. Interestingly, according to today's Dietitian magazine, it is highlighted that just half a teaspoon of ground cloves contains more antioxidants than half a cup of blueberries. In laboratory settings, scientists discovered that clove extract could slow the growth of various types of human cancer cells and increase cell death in colon cancer cells. It was also discovered that eugenol, a compound found in cloves, helps in minimizing the harmful effects of environmental wastes that can cause cancer of digestive system. The researchers suggested that cloves taken either as clove water, dry cloves, or as a spice might play a valuable role in future cancer treatments due to their ability to induce cell death and inhibit cell proliferation. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cloves are a readily available spice that boasts powerful anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to their unique phytochemical profile. Unlike some medications, cloves offer a natural approach to reducing inflammation and swelling in various parts of the body, with minimal side effects. Eugenol, the main active component of cloves, plays a key role in this process. Studies suggest that eugenol can modulate signaling pathways and the immune response, ultimately leading to a reduction in inflammation. Number 3. Clove may help regulate blood sugar. Cloves contain compounds that might be helpful in regulating blood sugar. Nigrosin, for example, seems to improve how the body utilizes insulin, a hormone responsible for ushering sugar from the bloodstream into cells for energy. This improved insulin sensitivity could lead to lower overall blood sugar levels. While a 2019 study showed promise with participants experiencing lower blood sugar after meals following a daily 30-day regimen of clove extract, more research, particularly on humans, is needed to confirm these benefits and determine the most effective dosage and form for blood sugar management. How can one make clove water? Well, you will need 50 grams of cloves, 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 cup of water. Soak the cloves and fennel seeds overnight. In the morning, strain the water and add the soaked chia seeds and honey. Stir well and drink on an empty stomach to aid digestion. Fennel seeds help regulate blood pressure and cleanse the blood, while chia seeds, high in fiber, support heart health, boost memory, and elevate mood. Incorporating cloves into your diet adds warmth to your body, making clove water especially beneficial during winter. However, it's important to note that clove contains eugenol, which can slow blood clotting. Those with bleeding disorders should avoid clove water. If you do not have such issues, drink clove water in moderation, particularly during the colder months or when experiencing flu-like symptoms, and you will notice significant improvements in your health. It's important to remember that cloves shouldn't replace medications or a doctor's guidance for those with diabetes or blood sugar concerns. Consulting with a healthcare professional is crucial before incorporating cloves into your blood sugar management plan. That's it for today. Stay healthy, stay blessed,